Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn two commands, that is alter and update. We will learn one by one. First, we will see alter command. Alter command is used to modify the structure of a table in a database. Like if we want to add a column in a table or delete a column or modify the column name, then we use alter command. This is basically syntax of alter command, that is if we want to add a column in a table, this is the syntax of adding a column in a table. Now we will see practically how we can implement the alter command. I have created a student table and I have inserted some values into it. Let me fetch the value from student. These are 4 records which I have inserted into this table. Now we will add a column into the table with the alter command, that is alter table, table name, add column name, its data type varchar and its size in the brackets and semicolon. Now we will run this. Table altered. You can see country column has added into the table. That is how we can add a column into the table with the alter command. Now we will see how we can delete the column from the table. Alter table, table name, drop column, column name and semicolon. Now we will run this. You can see table altered. Now we will fetch the value. You can see column country has deleted from the table. This is how you can add or delete the column from the table. Now we will see how to change column name in the table. You can see column address here. We can change the name address to city with the alter command. Alter table, table name, rename column address to city, semicolon. Now table altered. Now we will see the output. You can see column name address has changed to city now. Now column name is city. This is how we can use alter command to add a column, to delete a column or to change a column name. Now we will see update command. Update command is used to modify the existing records in a table. For example, if I want to change some data in a table, then I will use update command. We will see practically how we can update the data. This is the syntax of update. Update table name, set column name and its value up to n column we can update, and where condition. Where condition specifies that in which row we want to change the data. This is table student here. If I want to change the name and the city of ID2, we can use update command here. Update table name, set name equal to Rashi, comma city equals to Chandigarh, where ID equals to 2. You can see one row updated. You can see in the second row name and city has changed now. Now we will see if we don't use where condition then what will happen. In this we have copied the query here, but we didn't use the where condition. Now we will run this. You can see 4 rows updated. If we don't use where condition, then it will update all the records in a table. You can see all the records have updated now. We have seen both the commands, alter and update command. The basic difference of alter and update command is alter command is used to modify the structure only, and update command is used to modify the data. It will do some changes in data only. This is a basic difference. An alter command is DDL command and update command is DML command. Thanks for watching.